由冠言文化及中国好声音澳大利亚赛区悉尼地区唯一合作方澳华娱乐联合主办的中国好声音澳大利亚赛区总决赛颁奖晚会的现场，我是主持人孙乔。
各位好，我是主持人宇超，非常高兴，非常荣幸今天晚上能和3位搭档担任我们今天颁奖晚宴的主持人。
大家好，晚上好，我是主持人 Angela。Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Angela Stossel, and I will be one of your MCs tonight. Alongside me is the lovely John Kerr, who is a veteran of the Australian industry of many decades, most recently on Talkback Radio 2UE.
Thank you, Angela, and good evening, everybody. I'm sorry we started a little bit late, but I'm sure you're going to find that the evening has been well worth the wait because we have a lot of things lined up for you. Some wonderful singing, some wonderful competition. We already have the wonderful food in front of us. And a little later on, I'll be conducting an auction where, first of all, we're going to get a rough cut diamond, which is worth a hell of a lot of money. And we'll see if we can prize some money out of you. I should say thank you, Angela, for that lovely introduction to me. It has been many decades in radio. But I must say about Angela, I think we should give her a round of applause. Just a minute. Hang on just a second. Just a second, I'll tell you why we should give her a round of applause. Not only is she beautiful, but a couple of years ago she became Miss Asia. And I have to tell you that she was the first Australian, well, from Australia anyway, to become Miss Asia champion. Not a bad sort of effect. Well done.
Thank you, you're far too kind.
Right, that's the truth.
好的，感谢，这是我们今天的4位的主持人，我们阵容也是非常的强大。那这里呢，我们要感谢中国好声音国内指定合作方浙江卫视及灿星制作的澳大利亚中国好声音赛区的全程赛事的支持，让我们澳大利亚优秀的这些歌唱的选手们在这个舞台上充分的展示、充分的发挥。同时呢，我们要掌声感谢我们中好声音澳大利亚赛区的这些功臣们，我们要感谢冠言文化，感谢澳华娱乐，还有我们的牛人商会，给他们的热情掌声鼓励一下。
说的没错，那我觉得与此同时呢，我们更应该感谢的是所有参与到我们这一届2016中国好声音澳洲赛区选拔大赛的所有的选手们，正是有了你们精彩的表现，你们精彩的付出，用声音征服了我们每个人的耳朵，才有了我们整个澳洲赛区的完美的结束。让我们再一次感谢你们，同时我们也要恭喜所有获奖的选手，尤其是澳洲赛区的前10强，因为他们当中的几位还将代表我们澳洲去征战中国好声音的总决赛的现场。我们也一起预祝他们能够取得好成绩。那在这个当中，到底有几位选手将会代表我们澳大利亚去征战我们中国好声音在中国举办的总决赛？我们先卖一个关子啊。
那随着今天晚会的推进，我知道大家好多人消息挺灵通的，应该已经知道了。但是随着我们晚会的推进，在座的每一位都会揭开这个谜底，你们都会知晓。那我们今天的晚会将会非常的精彩。
是，而且我们也非常荣幸的请到了我们所有的选手，我们所有获奖的选手，今天就将在我们站这个舞台上，再一次用声音征服我们每一个参加今天晚宴人的耳朵。我们一起来拭目以待。
没错。
So following tonight's performances, we will introduce each candidate individually to our lovely audience. And John, did you have anything else to add?
Yes, I did. We just sort of welcome our distinguished guest here. I mean, everybody in the room is distinguished, and what about this wonderful property in L'Avantage? It is absolutely distinguished, but with us tonight we have some federal and state politicians, so we very much welcome. It is obviously a very busy time for politicians, so we welcome Mark Curry, who is the MP for Oakley, Nicholas Berabay, who is the MP federal member of Button, all sitting over there on the table. Craig Lawley, who is MP federal member, beg your pardon, Craig. And John Savotti, who is Department of Transport Minister and Secretary of Parliament for the wonderful New South Wales Parliament. Welcome to you all. Thank you for your time tonight.
好的，那我身边的这一位呢，大家能看出来，他是混血 ABC 本地生出来的。我们在座的华人应该对这个品牌都非常的了解中国好声音，但是我想问问他，那 Angela， 你是 ABC 来着啊？你对中国好声音这个节目了解多少？
了解，一点点，但是我以前有看过在那个电视台看这个比赛，然后很多人去参加，
没错，
我自己也想去参加。
是，你想啊，在2012年7月13号开始，中国好声音第一次的开播，它受到了全国乃至全世界范围的关注跟好评。这4年过去啊，不断的改革创新，每一季都能选拔出来非常多优秀的学员跟选手，他也都给我们留下了非常深刻的印象。他们用不同的声线征服了听众的耳朵，让我们在小小的舞台上享受了极大的视听盛宴。
是，孙强说的没错，相信在座的各位都跟我们有同样的感觉。那自从第1季中国好声音以来，截止到现在，涌现出了无数优秀的有实力的选手。现在有很多呢已经占据了我们乐坛的半壁江山。那我们随口就能说出几个像李莫愁、吉克隽逸、平安、金志文等等，每个人现在都拥有了众多的粉丝，在中国的歌坛也有一定的影响力。
没错，你还知道哪一些？
对，我还记得那个平安都是去年在超过表演了。
应该是前年的，像我们还有姚贝娜呀、张碧晨啊、梁博啊、轩轩的、张磊，他们的歌声都非常的动人。2014年，澳大利亚启动了中国好声音海外分赛区的策划。那2015年的中国好声音第4季的节目中，国内的节目首次选拔并推荐了澳洲的选手。那我们去年的成绩大家应该都知道，马妮这是澳洲的选手，他是澳洲留学生得去的，他得到了全国的第11名。而我们的大家都认识他，今天他也在场。李安拿到了全国 Top 5的好成绩。那这样惊人的成绩是让我们整个澳洲华人都值得骄傲的。李安今天也来到了我们活动的现场。今天他不只是出现一下就算了，今天他还会为大家表演他的精彩节目。
是的，没错。那么正是因为刚刚像孙晓所说的这么优秀的积淀跟积累呢，那么我们这一届中国好声音大家也看得出来，我们这一届无论是规模的档次呢，都更上一层楼。这一届一开始消息一放出，中国好声音登陆到我们澳大利亚之后呢，就掀起了一阵狂潮。我们所有在澳洲、在悉尼、在墨尔本、在布里斯班的所有音乐爱好者，尤其是华人朋友们，踊跃的报名。光我们悉尼啊，就超过200多人在第一时间报名去角逐。那这更别说我们像在墨尔本、布里斯班其他城市，更是非常的踊跃，报名非常的疯狂。那一转眼，我们今天就来到了最后总决赛的颁奖晚宴。
Okay, so John, I'm guessing you followed everything that was just said.
I pick up about every 63rd word,
Yeah, fluent in Mandarin here. So basically, there's a surprise. I'm really excited. How about you?
About what?
A surprise is coming.
The surprise is coming.
A surprise is coming.
Yeah, the surprise is coming that you're going to get the diamond ring.
Yes, there is a beautiful yellow diamond ring up for auction later on. So how about we let the performances begin and we'll find out what that surprise is later on.
Let's go and get some food.
Okay, let's eat.
在我们的正式的吃的都已经上来了，原来我们这儿没动块儿。那这样，在这个环节的话，我们要请出我们的主人家，因为主人家我们4个主持人说了很多话，主人家还没说呢，我们要请出来的，首先请出来的是澳大利亚的中国好声音的主办方冠言文化的负责人到前面，要为大家做第一个致辞。
好，让我们掌声有请冠言文化的冠言上台致辞。
掌声有请。
teeth.
Yes, I am.
Well, it was a different night. It's as good as I can do, really.
今天晚上我们非常高兴来到了中国好声音颁奖仪式晚宴。我们很高兴请到了我们这位 John Kerr。
Hello, I'm John Kerr. I've been in radio, well, I don't know, far too many decades. And I've had the privilege tonight at the La Montage of meeting Angela and her two beautiful sisters and her equally beautiful mother.
Thank you.
But I would like to say about Angela, I think that she has a future in media. That's what she really wants to do. She wants to do a talk show host on television, and I think that that's probably going to happen for her. She's got a great intelligence. She's very beautiful. Obviously she is, because she was Miss Asia champion, the first from Australia to Miss Asia champion a couple of years ago. So all she has to do now is just really do a video clip, present it to various television producers, keep knocking on doors and saying, here I am, and eventually somebody's going to say, well, we really want to put you on television. Whether she's going to achieve doing a talk show host on television or not, I'm not too sure. I wish her well, and any help that I can give her, I certainly will give her. So Angela, good luck. We'll look forward to seeing you as a TV star and winning a Logie one day in the future.
Thank you, John. You are her hero. Thank you, John. Thank you.